Hey guys, today's video is going to be all about how I've been deep conditioning my freshly heat damaged hair. Right now my hair is pretty fried. It feels like straw and it is just gross. So I'm going to be showing you what I've been doing to kind of revive my hair and build it back up. So the first thing that I add to the concoction is this Palmer's protein pack. I bought a bunch of these from the hair store and it's really great for damaged and lifeless hair. Protein is great for that, so I want to add as much as I can. Next, I'm going in with this Mielle Organics deep conditioner, which is a moisture replenishing protein deep conditioner. And then I'm going to go in with this African Pride Masque. It's a detoxifying mask that kind of just adds a ton of moisture to your hair. And last but not least is my good and loyal friend, extra virgin olive oil. After shampooing my hair, I'm actually about to go in with the cheapest conditioner you could ever find. It's called VO5. You can actually find it at the dollar store, and I got this tip from another YouTuber with goals. Like, her hair is goals. Her name is Melissa Denise. Hey Melissa, she's awesome. But I stole this tip from her to use VO5 conditioner because you can get it at the dollar store, and so you can use as much as you want because it's only $1 for a whole bottle. So I use that to kind of help me detangle my hair after shampooing. And then I'm gonna go in with the concoction, and I'm just kind of putting that all over my hair, really focusing on the ends, and actually I'm focusing on everything because it's all damaged. So I just like to make sure my hair is really detangled, so I use my shower comb. Usually I'm actually in the shower, so it's a little bit easier. But now I'm just gonna kind of tie my hair up with a clip and put it in a shower cap and let the deep conditioning begin. So the next step that I'm about to show you, I think, is really important to this deep conditioning treatment because of all the protein that I'm using. I think adding a little bit of heat to it makes it so much better, just because it opens the cuticle and kind of lets everything soak in really nice. So what I'm going to do is take a wet washcloth that I put in the microwave for about 15 to 20 seconds so that it's nice and hot and warm. And I'm going to put that on top of my shower cap, and then I'm going to take my pizza blanket, and I got this as a gift, but it's kind of small for my body, so I was like, oh my gosh, my head fits perfectly in here because I have a huge head. So it's kind of like a Snuggie, and I put this pizza blanket thingy over top of my hair. It's kind of like a fleece blanket, and I wrap it around the washcloth and my shower cap to keep all that heat and moisture that the washcloth is giving off inside of my head. So I'm just gonna let this sit for a couple of hours and show you what it looks like after I've rinsed it out. So as you can see, my hair seems like it has a little bit of life, signs of life I'd call it. Before it was very straw-like and brittle and dry, and now it's nice and soft and somewhat even curly. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!